Alright, kids, welcome to our new place. Some reason, me and him have to share a room. Oh, and you guys have to. Shut up. I meant shush. Give me your phone and laptop. But what? She's not getting these back. Okay. Now we all have to act normal, okay? Please, for one day. Hold on. I meant to get rid of that stuff. Hold on. Hold on, kiddies. Hold on, guys. I'm making smoothies. Oh no. For everybody. What does she mean by smoothies? She's making a carrot smoothie, okay, guys? No. I don't want to drink a smoothie. Guys, come sit down for the smoothie. And get ready for dinner. Having a smoothie and dinner? Yes, go. Fine. Sit here. I'll sit here. We need extra chairs. Oh, I know. I'll sit right here. She doesn't deserve a smoothie from me. I don't even like your smoothies. Little girl. You better sit in that... Hold on. Sit in that chair. I don't know. Sit in this chair. I'm gonna make dinner. Okay, step mom. Meant to close the fridge. Here we go. Here we go. You know what? We have access to Wait, what? Mom. Yep, you get tomato. Come on. Let's do pizza tonight. Why did I put that in there? Okay, she already. None of you guys want? Nah. Yeah, nah. There we go. Movie. Come on. Bedtime, kids. Nah, grab my bag first. Ugh. You two are coming to our room, so. Ay, ay, ay. Go show your new brother. Go show your brother Taser. Here's my room. You mean our room? Oh, Dad, you got me a new phone? Yeah. Okay. I need clothes too. Okay. Maybe tomorrow, kiddo. Alright, guys. Ooh, you got us toys? Yep. I know that's hers and that's yours. And where do you plan to put her phone? And her electronics outside. Darn.